Okay, so this is Bobby, and let me show you exactly how you're supposed to be sending the emails every day. That way you make sure that you get all of the emails sent that you're supposed to and you maximize your income. Okay, so the first thing, you go to Cliqly Pro. You go step 1 right here. So click on step 1. And what we're going to do is we're going to send, we already gave you a list of 5,000 subscribers, right? So we're going to send 15 emails to those 5,000 subscribers for a total of 75,000. So you scroll down the page. And you can see on this page, this is already from yesterday, right? This is already the ones from yesterday. So you just scroll down, it's already at 5,000. Click go to the next step. Select this email, enter your first name, send now, and click send this email to my list. It's going to come up for you to confirm. Yes, you confirm. Okay. You keep doing that. So it's another 5,000. Go to the next step. Select this email. Each time, the system will rotate these emails, so you don't have to worry about choosing a different one each time. The system already does that for you. Enter your first name in, send now, click here to confirm. Okay, so I just did that twice. So you need to do that 15 times a day. It'll take you about 3 or 4 minutes, right? You saw how long it took right there. It didn't take very long. Okay, so you're going to send 75,000 emails a day in Cliqly Pro. Okay, then you go to Cliqly List Building. Okay, and in Cliqly List Building, you scroll down the page, and so far in this one there hasn't been any emails sent. And what you're going to do in this is at the top it says send 40,000 emails a day in Cliqly to build your list. So there's 2 parts of it. You're building your list, you're mailing your list. Okay, so we're going to send 2 emails to 20,000 subscribers each for a total of 40,000 emails per day in Cliqly List Building. Okay. So you come down and you enter 20,000 because we're looking for new subscribers, right? There's no drop down here. So we're looking for new subscribers, 20,000. Same thing. You choose proven creative, email creative number 1. Enter your first name. Send this email to my list. Okay. Click here to confirm. And there it is. You can see it right there. So then you're only doing 40,000 total over here. So you're only doing the 20,000 2 times. Select this email. And you're done. Okay, you're done for the day on Cliqly List Building. And in Cliqly Pro, step 1, you just need to make sure that I sent 2 right there. You just need to send out a total of 15 for 75,000. Then when you go over to check your commissions tomorrow, because it takes time for those to send out. So you can check your commissions. You can click on check your commissions tab right here on the left side of the page. You'll be able to see it has your, you can log in here, use your username, your password when you log in. When you get over here to Cliqly, to Conversion House, you will go down and click on check your commissions right here, and you will be able to see how much you've earned. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.